Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I'm taking you behind the scenes while I prepare for the holidays for my small candle company. So if you want to hang out with me, let's do it. Big dog status, I'm a big dog, I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. So the first thing I want to do is unbox my labels. I'm always nervous as hell to look at labels when they first come in because of course you want it to look right, and it's just always that feeling of what if it doesn't. But they look good. I also ordered some blank labels so that I can print the candle tins. Typically I do print my labels myself, but I wanted these to be super vibrant because of how much color and red and green and brown there is. And so I just got them professionally printed. But yes, honey, these look phenomenal. Exactly what I needed. Look at that greening. Yeah. Hey, good morning guys. So I am getting ready to take a few pictures of some of the candles that are launching for the holidays, and I have to list these on wholesale because I should have done that like yesterday, if you know what I mean. So getting ready to do that, and then I'm gonna go inside, edit everything, and come up with some product descriptions for the website. So I'm launching in just under 2 weeks now, and I just want to be able to post as much content and create as much content as I need for the entire month of November. So that's what I'm doing now. We're gonna schedule everything, and then I have to make some candles. I just came inside from taking pictures, and I got a total of 281 pictures, and so I am about to go ahead and try to edit these and see which ones made the cut and what didn't. So I didn't take any pictures of the glass jars, and the reason why I didn't do that was because outside it just has that crazy glare, so I'm gonna have to take those inside. And I don't plan on doing those wholesale right now, so they're not as urgent, but I'd like to get those done probably like beginning of next week. So now that the pictures are ready, next I go to Adobe Lightroom and edit everything. So I use this little device that connects my SD card directly to my iPad. If you're interested in this, I'll leave it in the description box below. But before I had this, I used to plug in my SD card to my laptop and airdrop everything to my iPad, but now I don't even have to do that. It's been amazing. But when I get onto Adobe, what I do is pretty much brighten the picture, make it appealing to the eyes. The biggest thing is that you don't want to change the colors so that they don't look like the product. So I just spend a good amount of time creating a preset that will look like all the products that I have, and then I just edit everything and listen to music or whatever else, you know, I do it during that time. So this is kind of just what I look like doing that, and just playing with the buttons and moving things around until I get it exactly how I want it. Y'all, my husband and I just got back from the postal office, and in front of the house there was a bag, and I'm like, I didn't order anything, and look, I got a gift from Privy. Are you kidding me? So let's open it. Let's see what we got. This is so cute. Oh my god, it says, "Thank you for growing with us. The holiday shopping season is here. We hope these treats bring you joy and comfort during the hustle and bustle of the coming weeks. We're excited to witness your continued growth and success this season and beyond. Warmly from your Privy team." Look at this. This is so cute. Oh, it has a little folder here. Ooh. Are these from some businesses that use Privy? Got some socks. Okay, what is this? Ooh. Ooh. A seed sprouting kit. Good luck clover. That's so funny because I spent a lot of time like in my garden now and trying to get like my garden looking good, planting tomatoes, but it's winter, so I don't know. I have to figure out how to use this. Focused AF coffee, and then energy bites from Sun and Slow. I think that's it. Thank you, Privy. If you guys are watching this, I really, really appreciate it. This was so freaking sweet. I think I'll make a video on email marketing in the future, but if you don't have Privy, go get it. Okay, so I have a few fragrances that I'm trying to get rid of because I just have overstock on things that I've been holding on to. So I think that I'm gonna make some bundles. I had some extra jars and I have like a number in mind of like how much I need to sell them for on average in order to like hit that monetary goal I'm looking for, you know what I mean? So I'm making some labels for those real quick, but this year has been pretty like weird, you know, with inflation and all that going on. My sales have definitely been down, and I know a lot of small business owners have been feeling that. So I'm not stocking up as much as I normally would for November, December, and I'm kind of refocusing so that I can have things ready for like January, because I'm like rethinking everything, like how I want everything to be, because right now I don't have like the cohesiveness that I'm looking for. Like my stuff is like all over the place, so I have a lot of testing to do to figure out what jars and stuff I'm gonna be switching to, and not really looking forward to that, but I'm kind of excited. Like I know that like I'm excited right now, but when I start testing things, I'm gonna be I'm gonna get a little frustrated, so I'm trying not to overthink it right now, but I'm making these labels, baby. So I have labeled quite a few of these, and then I'm putting lids on the rest of them. But I have all my holiday candles in cases that I need to put dust covers on. So this year for the holiday candles, I'm not doing lids, I'm doing dust covers, but I'm gonna leave lids as an option just in case people want them. And the reason why I decided to do that is because I've noticed that a lot of people just throw away their lids. So if you buy multiple candles, you really just need to buy one lid. And if you want to buy a lid for everything, like every candle, you can do that. But I'm also gonna have like the cost of like the candle to be less than what it would have cost with the lid. So we'll see how it goes. I talked about it on live on Instagram a little bit, and I kind of got mixed reviews, but as far as that, my decision has already been made. I'll see how many lids were purchased at the end of the season to decide if I'm gonna keep going with it. So we'll see, we'll see. I didn't even mention that, like, so when I moved like an hour away from where I used to stay, so I couldn't keep the warehouse and my lease was ending. But thankfully, when my husband and I purchased our house, it has a huge workshop in the back, so I make my candles in there. Why am I tired and it's just 9:30? Maybe it's because the time changed, but I don't know if the time moved forward or back. So I could have gotten less sleep or more sleep. Huh. Yo, Look, I'm not the type of person that you want to come with for like math stuff. Like, that's not me. I'm not into that. Nah. I'm not into that like daylight shit. Nah. That's not me. I'm not into that daylight savings. That's not what I'm into. I'm not into that. Okay, so I've got peppermint mocha, peppermint and chocolate. Then I have holiday light show. It's pretty much Christmas tree. Then I have reindeer milk, which is eggnog. And then nuts about the holidays, which is caramel pralines. And then gingerbread. Gingerbread, gingerbread, gingerbread rock. Gingerbread sing. Anyways, I will say this has been a very trying year for small businesses. Like, I've seen a lot of small businesses complain about like sales dropping, and I could definitely relate. But I can also say that, like, for me personally, it has been a result of like last year, me intentionally telling myself like, you are gonna focus on like other things, because last year I poured into my business so much, and I had like a crazy amount of growth last year, but there were so many things that were like important to me that I left on the table by like, you know, just hyper focusing, which kind of don't regret, but it's like now I feel like it's time to like do other things. So this year I've been picking up the pace with my YouTube channel, and you know, of course I'm not like perfect and I'm still new, but I'm like trying to teach myself how to use my camera and stuff like that. I started flight training because like it's been a dream of mine for a while now to be a pilot, so I've been working on that, and that's pretty much like my priority right now. And I just purchased a house with my husband. Shout out to Will, I love you, boy. And we've been doing like little projects. I learned how to paint. I'm gonna be working on revamping my sunroom, but now that like I took more time to myself, and like I've been trying to like stay a little bit like off of social, well, pretty much like I'm trying to distance myself from social media, unless it like pertains to my business. And so like I've been scheduling posts and stuff like that so that I could like not be on the apps as much, because I don't want to be like I want to find time to like enjoy my life and do things that like I enjoy. I've been reading, and I this year, which is something I wouldn't have been able to say because I was not the reading type of person. Like, that wouldn't be me, you know? I mean, like, I read, but not for fun, you know? Anyways, so this year for fun, I read The Song of Achilles, I read Verity, I read It Ends With Us, I read It Starts With Us, I'm reading The Measure currently, and I just started like really reading in like August. Like, I'm actually trying to figure out the order of the months right now, so I'm starting at January. I actually started really reading in like May, so like half of the year, like I've read those amount of books. Next year, I want to read like 50 books next year, because all of the books that I've mentioned, I finished in like a day. And you know, I didn't even mention I got my trademark after 2 years of waiting for my freaking trademark to go through. It finally went through. My attorney sent me an email like 2 weeks ago, and I was like, shout out to you. I was pretty much battling with someone for the name, but I can make a totally different like video on that, so let me know if you want to see that. So this is what I'm working with currently. These are all for like my online store. I'm not doing wholesale on these. And I still have quite a few to make, but I was running out of wax and my launch is coming up, so I was pretty you know, what's the word I'm looking for? I was pretty I have no fucking idea what word I'm looking for. I was like I have no idea. Y'all know what I want. Y'all know what I want to say. Like, I spread it out evenly so I didn't run out of wax. That's what I did, so that I didn't run out of wax. I have one more candle, and I have a half a case of wax right now. But anyways, I'm gonna cut the wicks, and I'm gonna clean these off in a little bit and get ready to go inside. But I'm gonna put these on the shelf, and then that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you subscribe and like the vlog. Tell me what you liked about it too, because you know, I told y'all I'm new and I'm trying to learn what to do differently for the next time, because I'll be at it again, back at it again with the white Vans.
Must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. No, I don't know why you love me. Yeah. don't matter what. Yeah, you really matter. Talk to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body says that I got you to know. But I'll never fall out of love with you. You.
Now that the dust covers are all on, I'm putting everything on the shelf. Normally, when I do this, I would stack everything about 3 to 5 high, depending on like what I got. But because I'm using dust covers, I can't do that. So it looks like this, but I'm pretty happy with this. I think it looks super neat, and fingers crossed everybody else likes it too. But that's what it looks like. I have candle tins on the other side, and of course I still have the 2 fragrances that I did off camera, but this whole shelf ended up being full. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I still have a few things to do, but I'm tired and I'm going to bed. But if you enjoyed today's vlog, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe and like so that you can see more videos like this one. My channel is kind of like a personal diary where I document like DIY projects, my small business, my pilot journey, and whatever I want to talk about, girl. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you comment and let me know what you want to see in the future. And until next time, later.